Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a DIY project. The week started off cloudy and a bit cold, with that feeling that the rain was on the way. So I decided to use the time to finally start a DIY project that I've been thinking about. I gathered my materials, old plastic bottles, utensils and everything I needed. I cut the empty bottles to use as molds for the pieces. I then used the Vaseline inside the molds so that the pieces don't get stuck when it's time to take them off. I then mixed sand, cement and water until it formed a smooth paste. I slowly poured the mixture into the molds to shape the pieces and let them sit for 48 hours to dry. The sun came out for a little while and the day was a bit warmer, but not for long. So I decided to check on the pieces to see if they dried well and took them off the mold immediately. The utensil holder cracked. I must have applied a lot of pressure when taking it out. I tried fixing it but decided to keep it the way it is. I used a plaster primer to paint the pieces. I wanted to give them a more original and industrial look. I took time to clean, to perfect, to paint properly, and this is how the final products look. I've also added a door stopper I made a while ago, just to show you what more you can make with just sand and cement. The sky turned dark again and the rain began. It rained the whole week, so we stayed, waiting, resting, watching, and enjoying the weather change. I am glad I started this DIY project when I did. Sometimes slow rainy days are perfect for creating something new and something beautiful. Let me know if you like this kind of content in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.